So we're going through tough times, folks, and it's not easy for anyone, but it means that we have to return to our homes, nest in, enjoy our spaces. I'm a great believer of if you live in a lovely environment, it lifts your spirits and you do better. Your health does better, your mental health does better. So we've got an idea here at Bandhini that might be able to help you. We do free storyboards, which means we can figure out spaces, help you with your textiles and your art, and make them look beautiful again. I know how it is because I'm building at the moment and I've got many different trades and tradespeople. The people that are the solution makers and come with a bright and fresh attitude lift your spirits. So we're trying to do that here at Bandhini. All we need from you is a photograph of your space, the colours that you love and the style that you love. We do 3 different storyboards for you. You choose the one you like. We stick to your budget to make you very, very comfortable and secure in that way. And we send everything beautifully wrapped and with a lovely gift especially for you, and the pictures of where everything goes so you're not confused about where to put things. So we want to be able to offer that service to you all and make your homes a wonderful nesting place that you can feather down to during these really tough times.